Are you a female coach or entrepreneur wishing to have more time and financial freedom? In this video, I'll reveal the 10 game-changing reasons why it's worth creating an online course now. Stay tuned and watch this video until the end to learn how creating courses has changed my life and my clients' lives and how it can change yours too. Hey friend, Myrra here. I'm an online course creator and strategist, and in 2021, I was one of Yahoo Finance's course creators and experts to watch out for. That said, I truly believe that creating online courses is the game changer that you've been waiting for in your business as a female coach or entrepreneur. So here are the top 10 compelling reasons why you should consider creating a course now. 1. By creating your course, you can free up more of your time to focus on your family and on other more important things. So I have had a client before who was a single mom, had a full-time job, and even had a part-time coaching business on the side. Her coaching business was growing, and of course, she absolutely loved that. But then the caveat is that it's taking a lot of her time from her. That's why she decided to create a course. And by launching her course, she was able to make more income in her business and gain more of her time back because unlike her career services and coaching packages, her course doesn't need her to show up 24/7. So wouldn't you love to have more time to spend with your family, to play with your kids, and not worry about paying the bills? 2. Creating a course helps you have a flexible schedule. As I said, depending on the delivery of your course doesn't require you to show up 24/7 for you to serve your clients or students. With a course, you can work anywhere and anytime. You can decide on your own timetable and decide where or when you are going to work, allowing you to have more freedom and more work-life balance. 3. Creating a course helps you to stop trading your time for money. With a course, you can grow your business without trading your entire 24 hours and without always being in front of your laptop or your computer to work. One-on-one coaching or service-based offers have constraints wherein you can only work with limited number of people because you only have 24 hours and you can only fit as many as you can in it. On the other hand, a course will help you serve more people and make more money without compromising more of your time. 4. Creating a course will increase your income potential. With a digital product like an online course, you can leverage your God-given knowledge, skills, and expertise and turn them into passive income streams. This will allow you to scale your business and achieve financial freedom because there is no income ceiling anymore. You can enroll as many as you want inside your course. 5. You can make a difference by creating a course. I'm sure you already know this, but your expertise is valuable. And by creating an online course, you can teach and impact the lives of many people who are eager to learn from you. Your course then is an avenue for you to empower and equip your audience to achieve their goals. You are creating ripple effects because as you help people and lead them to transformations, holistically speaking, their families and friends and the people they get to interact with also get to benefit from it. For example, let's say you create a course to help other women start their own small businesses. Once your students or clients are able to do that, then their businesses will also impact so many other people. They also get to serve more people like you do. And then those people will have better lives. And so see, the impact of your course, your impact goes on and on and on. By the way, friend, quick side note, I upload videos teaching you about online course creation, kingdom entrepreneurship, and faith-based personal development. So if you resonate with that and want to learn more about that, then definitely hit subscribe below. I upload videos every Monday, and so I don't want you to miss any of them. Okay, let's get back to the video. 6. You are building your personal brand by creating a course. An online course establishes you as an authority in your niche. I'm sure you can notice by now that the topmost experts in your field have online courses where they teach what they know to others. That is exactly the power of online courses. Having a course boosts your credibility and can open doors for you, such as speaking engagements, brand collaborations, and other exciting opportunities. 7. Your course can help you form an amazing community. Online courses can be a way of you building a supportive community of like-minded people. This community is where your students and your clients can foster connections and help each other grow, whether personally or professionally, in their businesses or in their personal lives. You know what? I'm a part of the Video Ranking Academy by Think Media and Shan Cannell, and I truly appreciate the community that they have in there. I appreciate the fact that when I have questions when it comes to YouTube, then I can ask anytime and get support and guidance from others. So I want you to know that through your online course, you can foster and create such community as well. 8. You will learn and grow as a female coach or entrepreneur by creating your course. As you create your course, you'll find yourself diving so much deeper into your field, into your expertise. So this helps you expand more of your knowledge and expertise when it comes to your subject matter. They say teaching is the best way to learn, right? And so that rings true with an online course. 9. You can steward your God-given gifts through your online course. Personally, as a kingdom-driven entrepreneur myself, this is super important to me. I used to feel lost and confused when it comes to my life purpose back then. But then I realized that God has given us unique skills, life experiences, educational backgrounds, talents, and many other more. And I'm sure He doesn't want us to keep all of those amazing gifts to ourselves. Instead, I believe it glorifies God when we use these gifts and share them to others. So this is one way we multiply our gifts, just like what we read in the parable of the talents. 10. Through your online course, you'll be able to give back to causes and ministries that you support. With increased financial stability, and because you are going to generate more income through your online courses, you'll be able to have more leeway to give back to the nonprofits or the causes or the ministries that you want to support without thinking, will I have enough to pay the bills? Digital products like online courses give you the opportunity to earn more income and grow your business to the level where you can be so outrageously generous. So friend, what are you waiting for? Start creating your course now, and I believe that there are endless possibilities that you have yet to unlock. You can start by downloading my free Road to Your Course Success Guide at myrrakate.com/case study, which I will also link in the description box below. Friend, if you found value in this video, please don't forget to hit like and share this video, as well as watch this video next to learn how to sell your online course even if you don't have a huge following just yet. As always, keep the faith, my friend, and know that the best is yet to come. I'll see you in the next video.